Man, look at that bright sun there, guys. I'm all about bright sun. I'm all about sunny days, guys. What are you all about? Do you know what that means? All about? If you're all about something, that means you really like it. Okay? So, I'm all about summertime. But look at this, there's no summer here. This is winter. That's why in winter, I'm all about sunny days. Look at these cool bulrushes here, guys. I'm all about bulrushes. I love bulrushes. Okay, so we usually use this term for something you like. It could be a thing, a food, an activity. You know, maybe you love winter sports. You could say, I'm all about winter sports. Or my cousin Johnny, he's all about winter sports. Actually, Johnny is a name that can be a woman's name or a man's name. Johnny. When I was in high school, there was a female classmate of mine was named Johnny. I'm trying to think how she spelled her name. I think it was a different... I can't remember, guys. But just so you know, Johnny could be a man or a woman. Okay? So, are you all about winter sports? Or are you all about summer sports? You know, you could be all about... you could say, I'm all about spicy food. Man, I love spicy food. I'm all about Mexican food. I'm all about pineapple on pizza. Do you love pineapple on pizza? You could say, I'm all about pineapple on pizza. I'm all about dark chocolate. I'm all about cappuccinos. Do you love cappuccinos? I love cappuccinos, guys. So let me give you some examples here. Well, while I'm thinking of examples, you think of some examples. What do you like? What are you all about? You know, a lot of people like going shopping. So you could say, I'm all about malls. I'm all about Asian malls. The malls in Asia are so much nicer than the malls here in Canada. Like, if you go to some big malls in like Thailand or the Philippines or, you know, those Asian countries, they love malls. Okay, so you could say, I'm all about malls. I'm all about shopping. I'm all about thrift stores. Okay, a thrift store is a kind of a second-hand store. If you want to buy like second-hand clothes or second-hand anything really, a thrift store. It's not like a pawn shop. A pawn shop sells more like maybe jewelry, like watches or that kind of stuff. A thrift store, like here in Canada, there are a couple of big chains, right? You'll find these chains in every city in Canada. One of them is Salvation Army. Okay, that's probably the most popular one. Another one is MCC. Okay, MCC stands for Mennonite Central Committee. That's not very important. Anyway, MCC. So if you want to buy like secondhand shoes or, I don't know, whatever, you can go to MCC or Salvation Army. Okay, you could say, I'm all about getting good deals. Or you could say, I'm all about getting free stuff. If you, you know, maybe you like... Maybe there's somewhere you go where you can get free things, free stuff, you know? I'm all about trying new things. Things I've never tried before. Do you like trying new things? You know, maybe trying new foods or new activities that you've never done before. I'm all about hockey. I'm all about learning new languages. Do you love learning new languages? I could say, I'm all about teaching English. I love making videos, teaching you guys. Thank you so much for always joining me in these videos. I'm all about Christmas. Do you love Christmas? I'm all about Christmas. I'm all about parties. I'm all about having a good conversation over a cup of coffee. You know, maybe you like going out with your friends to a coffee shop. You could say, I'm all about, you know, a good conversation with my friends over a cup of coffee. Or I'm all about going to the movies. The movies means the cinema or the theater. We don't really use those words here. If you're gonna go watch a movie at a theater or a cinema, we don't say I'm going to the theater or I'm going to the cinema. We say I'm going to the movies. Hey, want to go to the movies? I mean, even if you're gonna just watch one movie, you know, if you want to ask someone that you want to go to the movies, unless it's if there's a specific movie that you're gonna watch, like, hey, want to go watch Spider-Man or whatever. But if you're not sure, think, hey, want to go to the movies this weekend, right? Maybe you have no idea what movies are playing. You just you want to go with your friends to the movies, guys. I don't know. There's just so many things that you could like, right? This is just another way to say that you like something, or that you really enjoy doing something, you know, or you enjoy eating something or drinking something, or you know, playing in the snow. My kids are all about playing in the snow, guys. My wife is all about clothes, right? Maybe your wife loves buying new clothes. Great. You know, I'm all about gardening. Maybe you love gardening, right? So anyway, guys, this is just a slang way to, just another way to say like, you know. Sometimes it's nice to try new ways of saying things. You know, maybe you use like one time, and then if you really like something, you can try to use all about. So, I'm all about cruises. Do you know what a cruise is? A cruise is a big boat that you go on a vacation with. You know, you go on a cruise down to the Bahamas, or over to Hawaii maybe, or Alaska. You could say I'm all about cruises, or I'm all about all-inclusive vacations. I'm all about nice weather, guys. That's what I'm all about. I'm all about nice weather, good food, and that's it, guys. So let me know down in the comments what you're all about. Hope you're doing great today. Let me know how you're doing down in the comments. I love you so much. Hope you're having a great day. Hope you're safe, healthy, and happy. And go eat some good food today, guys. And let me know what you're gonna eat today. Well, anyway, I'll see you over in the next episode of Mad English TV. Take care.